Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Brent, and on this channel we talk about everything related to tech, from tech tutorials to programming and practical guides to help you improve your skills. So today I'm going to teach you how to download and install Python on your Mac. So the first thing you need to do is open your browser and type Python. Once you search for Python, you will see the official website, which is python.org. Make sure you open the official website. Once you're on the website, move your mouse to the download section. You will immediately see the latest version of Python available for your Mac. At the moment, the version is Python 3.14.5. Now simply click on download button and wait for the installer to finish downloading. Once the download is complete, open the installer package. Now the installation process is pretty straightforward. You just click in continue, agree to the license agreement, and then install Python on your Mac. You may also need to enter your Mac password to allow the installation. This folder has the application of Python, and the most important ones are this idle, which will allow you to write code on that, and the Python launcher. So you come straight to the applications, to the apps on your Mac, and you will see idle and Python launcher. So we can open, you can also check whether if you have installed correctly or not by coming to the terminal and writing Python --version. This will give you the version of Python that you have downloaded. In my case, the Python version is different. Version is here. It is because I have on my system Anaconda installed. If you would like to install Anaconda on your macOS, so feel free to check. I have one video that I explain step by step on how you can install Anaconda. So now what you have to do is come to the idle and check if the idle is working just fine. The version here is different. Once idle opens, we can write our very first Python program. And don't worry, this is going to be a very simple. So inside editor, I'm going to type print parenthesis, double quote, and we are going to write hello world, and then double quote, close parenthesis, and semicolon. And once I press enter, you can see the message appears successfully on the screen. Let me also show you how you can save your Python file. For that, go to File and then click Save. You can save the file anywhere you want on your Mac. For this example, I'm going to save it on the desktop. I will name the file demo and click Save. Now, if we minimize everything, you can see the Python file right here on the desktop. So when I open it again, you can see our code. It's still there and working perfectly. So that's basically how you download, install, test, and save your first Python program on Mac. I hope this tutorial helped you, and if did, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with someone who is learning programming. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.